All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be working on the 2013 Dodge Avenger. I've got it ready to go here, and then right behind me I brought out our donor car. This is a 2011 Dodge Avenger. This is my friend's car that the engine's going out on it, so we're going to be using this car for parts. It's got 163,000 on the clock, and it's just had better days. So let me go ahead and get my tools out and let's get going. Start taking this front end apart. All right, guys, so we're just about ready to go ahead and start taking the front end of this Avenger off. We're going to start with the crash bar. We have Galaxy Girl back to help us out today.
Lover.
Oh, Unicorn Lover. We're going to go through that again. And then we have a special guest. Oh, what? Ace, oh, yes, Ace Spitfire. He's going to help us out as well, and we're going to start digging into this. So here we goes. All right, so who wants to take these off? Here we go. Here, let's make sure this works first. Someone grab that bag. All right, yeah, this will work. So I have a short-term memory issue, so Ace, whatever, Spitfire. All right, Spitfire. There you go. Sweet. And then Galaxy Girl, you're going to grab the bag, and then Unicorn Lover. Where's that bag at? Go ahead and hand her the bolts. You done this before? What do you want? We need these right here. Get that one over. Right. That is it for those. Now we have two more. Yeah.
There's a difference.
You're going the wrong direction.
What? You could have told me that earlier.
Well, you were going the right direction.
You realize that, right?
Always remember, righty-tighty,
I know.
lefty-loosey.
Who's Tidy and Lucy?
They're best friends. All right, yeah, that's almost out. You almost had it out. You just need to go a little bit further. You gonna do it?
Me?
You want me to finish it? There it comes.
Yes,
all right.
I finally get to pull it out now.
Hang on. No, because we still got a bolt over there.
Dang it.
Watch out. I don't want to hit you in the face. You ready?
Yeah. You're going to rip that off. Oh no. He's gonna rip it off. Ah! I told you he's gonna rip it off. This is scary.
Here.
Ah!
Now you can get to the bolt.
Oh, he wasn't ripping it off.
Here, you use this.
Dang it.
Now we can see our frame rails. And look straight. And look straight over here too. So I think we are good to go. Alright guys, so now we have the front end, pretty much taken apart for what we need to do. Let's just take a good close look at and see if there's any further damage. So I don't see any damage on this lower support. Frame rail looks really good. I don't see any kinks or cracks, bends, nothing. So I think we're good on the frame rail. That's what I was most concerned about. And looking at this frame rail, same thing. So I think we've gotten lucky on this one, and I think it'll be a good car to put back together using our donor parts. So now I guess we're ready to start reassembling. All right, so on our donor car, this has the 2.4 liter, whereas our rebuild car has a 3.6, but I did my homework, and as long as I searched correctly, the radiator and fan and all the parts we need are the same, so we should be okay with just swapping everything over. But let me go ahead and get some tools, and we'll start taking this one apart. All right, guys, so I'm gonna call it quits for the day. It's starting to get dark, but we did get a lot of work done on the Avenger. As you can see over here, of course, we got the project car is ready for parts. And then I pretty much got the front end of the part car taken apart. I just have a few more bolts here and there that's holding on the core support. And then all that'll pop off, and then we'll drain out the coolant and start switching everything over. So hopefully tomorrow we can finish this up, and maybe if all goes well, get this car done within just a couple days, minus paint work. So we'll catch you guys tomorrow.